So gang, we see price push above 27 extension. You know, it goes past 27 extension, 1945. Price is at 1947 right now. Went all the way to 1948. You know, and it went right back up here to 1950, 1948. You know, and we know we're in the uptrend. You know, candlesticks are above this trend line. You know, it goes past zero, goes past 1942, and it went all the way up to 27 extension, right up to C. You know, I just want to keep you updated with that game. You know, price did get all the way up here, all the way up to 1948. You know, and now we see price wicking back down. We don't know if price wants to go above C. You know, and it could we could go to take profit 14. You know, if this is take profit 14, we can get up back up here when we was just up here last week. If y'all remember, we was just up here last week, and so it can definitely get back up here again. You know, it was just up here. We was just up at take profit 14, February 24th, 2022. You know, last week 1974. 1965, it got up here February 24th, 2022, 1965. And, you know, price can definitely get back up there as, you know, it's at take profit 13, 1945. Next take profit level is 1965, take profit 14. And we could still be in this uptrend all the way up to 1965, take profit 14. It looks like it might get up there. So like I said, gang, you could have entered. You know, for a trade. You had entered at 0.618, you know, and 0.5. You know, once price shows us a hammer pattern, wait for price to make a higher low, shows us a hammer pattern, you could have entered all the way up to 0, wait for price to show you a higher low, back down to right back down to 1923, makes a higher low from 0, 1938, all the way back down to 1923, and you could have entered for a second entry and have rolled this all the way back up to 27 extension. Price goes right past 27 extension, and it's at now at 1949. Went all the way up to 1951. So it goes even past this high right here. And next key level is 1965. You know, that's the next key level. And we see this long yellow Marubozo candlestick on a 1 hour pushing right up to take profit 14 next. So I just want to keep you updated with that game. On the 1 hour, you can see that. Let's go to the 4 hour as well. Go to the 4 hour. So you can see on the 4 hour as well. On the 4 hour, you can see we see long yellow Marubozo candlesticks pushing past 27 extension. And prices won't keep going higher and higher. It will retest back down. See price, already went to take profit 13. And it broke above take profit 13 completely. But it's going to retest back down. We should see a retest back down to 1945. And before, making a higher low, before we see a higher high all the way up to 1965. So it should do that. It doesn't have to, once price got to take profit 13 last time, 1950, it reversed it right back down, all the way back down to 1915. So we'll see what happens. During London session, you can see what happens. It could go all the way up to 1965. It was just up here last week. It was just up here. February 24th, we see price go all the way up to 1945, and then eventually you see price go up to 1973. This is a multi-year high again. As price haven't been up here since the beginning of COVID, since the beginning of the pandemic, since August of 2020. So it's been about a year, 2 years since price been up here at 1973, 1974. It can definitely get back up here, and I'll keep you updated on that game. It was just up here. You can see price breaks February 24, February 23. Price breaks above take profit 13 on a 4 hour. And then, you know, the price will retest. It retested back down below take profit 13, right back down to 1937 before, you know, see the long Marubozo candlestick, yellow Marubozo candlestick, letting us know that buyers are in complete control all the way up to 1973. So it just did break above take profit 13. And, you know, it just won't keep going higher and higher and higher. It could just shoot right up to take profit 14. But we have, I'll let you know if it does do that, you know. But currently we are in an uptrend right now. And, you know, you can see we're in an uptrend right now. This is our trend line. And like I said, you could have entered once price shows you, wait for price to show you a hammer pattern. You know, and it shows us some type of hammer pattern wicking at the bottom. You can see it wicked at the bottom a few times at 0.618, one time, 2, 3, 4 times. Letting us know that price did not want to go to B, did not want to go back down to 1915. We see 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks on top of our trend line. And then we see, after we see our fourth wick, price push all the way up, you know, to from 1923, 1922, all the way up to 1951, you know, gang. So depending on your lot size, could have easily been 2,000 right here, 3,000, depending on your lot size, or more, you know, 5,000, 10,000 for the day. So, you know, we just trade with the overall trend. This is the overall trend. The overall trend is an uptrend. I just wanted to keep you updated on that game. So price did break above take profit 13, but it's going to retest back down before it gets going to take profit 14. As you can see, price is retesting back down, and you know, we'll see price. You should, you know, see what price should do. Price should retest back down to zero, at least 1939, before making a higher high all the way up to take profit 14, 1965. You know, and we can be in an uptrend again. You know, as overall we are in an uptrend. It could be continuing. This uptrend can be continuing. This first week of March, you know, it's the first of the month. The first of the month is price likes to move very, very fast. I'll keep you updated with this game. You know, but price did go break above our psychological level, take profit 13. That gives us a clear indication that price might want to go to take profit 14. We have to see price. We have to see what price wants to do. If price makes a higher low, you know, price makes a higher low, it should make a higher low like this. It should do something like this. Price should make a higher low, like from here, and then, you know, to make a higher low back down and break back below take profit 13 before making a higher high, you know, all the way basically up to take profit 14. You know, we're going to see price making a higher low, you know, somewhere down here, back down to zero. It might even go make a higher low back down to take profit 12, 1930 before making a higher high all the way up to 1965, take profit 14. So, you know, that's my analyst right now for your game, and I'll keep you updated with, you know, and let you know what price is doing, what gold is doing. But gold did break above 27 extension, did go to right to 27 extension, broke right above it, you know, and then we're out this trade. You know, we're out this trade. You could have gotten at 0.618, 0.5 for entries. You could have rolled it all the way up to 27 extension, 1945. Price goes all the way up to 1951. And now it's retesting back down to take profit 13, 1945. All right, gang. So I hope these videos help. Make sure you study these videos, and I'll keep you updated. All right, gang.